In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block or unblock someone in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're trying to manage your contacts better or just need a bit of space from certain interactions, blocking and unblocking users can be a handy tool. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head to the Microsoft Teams website. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. It's important to ensure you're logging into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple accounts for work or personal use. After you're logged in, you'll notice the search bar prominently displayed at the top of the screen. This is where you'll input the name of the person you wish to block. Try to be as specific as possible when typing their name to avoid any confusion with other similarly named contacts. As you start typing, Teams will automatically suggest contacts matching your search terms, making it quicker for you to find the right person. Once you see the name of the person you're looking for, go ahead and click on it. This will bring up their profile in the main window. You'll see more options related to this contact, making it easier to perform different actions like starting a chat or a video call. Now focus on finding a small icon resembling 3 vertically aligned dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu with several different choices tailored to interacting with this user. In this menu, look for the option that says Block Contact. Selecting this will initiate the process of blocking the user. Microsoft Teams will then bring up a confirmation pop-up. This is just a final step to ensure you want to proceed with blocking the person. It's always a good idea to double check at this point that you've selected the correct user, especially if their name is common. When you're ready and sure about your decision, click on Block in the pop-up. This action will immediately restrict the individual from contacting you through Teams. They'll no longer be able to send you messages or see your status updates. To unblock someone later, you will generally follow a similar process in reverse, looking for an unblock option instead. This flexibility makes it easy to manage your contacts on your terms. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've learned how to effectively block and unblock someone in Microsoft Teams. This can be a crucial tool for managing communication and ensuring that your Teams environment suits your needs. Make sure to practice these steps if you're new to the platform, and feel free to refer back to this guide whenever you need a refresher. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.